Alright guys, so in today's video what I'm going to be teaching you is how you can start building an email list for affiliate marketing. Yeah, you heard me right. So this is a video I've been wanting to share with people who are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and even maybe how to start making sales with affiliate marketing. Many of us know that affiliate marketing is a very good business model, but the problem here is that many of us still don't know how to get quality leads, people who can buy whatever thing we want to sell to them. So I decided to make this video today to show you guys how easy it is to start building an email list for affiliate marketing. So if you have something you want to promote, if you have something you want to give out, something you're pushing out, and maybe it's not just coming, money is not coming your way because you're not doing marketing well, right? You have to just relax and watch this video because you're going to be learning how I was getting over 225 quality leads each day for our clients. So this is me basically teaching you what I'm doing, okay, teaching you what I'm basically doing for other people, and it's working, and you too can also learn from this. All right, and you can use this, all right, anyhow you want to use it. But I assure you that if you use this method, you'll be able to start getting leads, quality leads for affiliate marketing. So don't forget, this video is just going to be on how you build what an email list for affiliate marketing. So with that all said, guys, I want to quickly introduce myself to those of you watching a video for the very first time. If you're new on the channel, please thank you so much for clicking this video. All right, my name is N.A. Charles, and what I do on this channel is to talk about marketing, traffic generation, and so many other things that can help you improve in business. So just like today's video teaching you how to build an email list for affiliate marketing, all right, I have so many other content I'll be coming up, like this. And if you want to see more video like this, please make sure you subscribe, okay? And also do not just subscribe alone, but also make sure you give this video you're watching a like. I would really appreciate that. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, okay? So show me some love by smashing the like button in appreciation. So let's just get into it. So today's video being me showing you how you can start generating, or should I say how to build an email list for affiliate marketing. It's simple. We're going to be doing this in 3 easy steps, okay? 3 easy steps. The first thing we're going to be making use of is we are going to be getting a lead magnet, okay? That is where many people don't get it right, okay? Because if you want to get people to give you their emails, or if you want people to basically give you their contact information, I mean legally now, you need to give them something in exchange for that, and we are going to be making use of a lead magnet. So a lead magnet from Google is basically a free asset or special deal offered to customer in exchange for their contact details. You heard that right? So something you give out in exchange, okay, for contact details. So you cannot just meet up people and tell them to give you their email addresses, and they'll be like, why should I give it to you? So a lead magnet is going to be the reason why they would have to give you their contact address. So this is the first step you want to take, okay? We want to get what a lead magnet. Like I told you earlier, that this is the same precept I use for myself and so many of my clients. So I'm teaching you raw, guys, how you do it for yourself, and this is basically going to work for you if you do it the right way. I'm teaching you, if you implement these things, I tell you, you will start building a huge list for affiliate marketing, okay? It's easy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to be getting the lead magnet, and I'm going to show you 2 ways you can basically get a lead magnet for yourself. 2 ways. Number one is you can come over to a site known as pdfdrive.com. So many of my friends use this, okay? I use this when in the past. I was doing this in the past, but I'm going to show you a better way of doing it, right? So you can come over to PDF Drive, okay? And you can, here on PDF Drive basically is where we have so many things that we can download, so many ebooks that we can download, and we can use that in getting other people's contact information, right? So you can come over to PDF Drive, and you're going to be having access to thousands of books that you can download, okay? And you can use them as your lead magnet. So let's just say I want to make use of PDF Drive, and maybe I want to get a book related to, let's say, health and fitness. So I'm just going to search for health and fitness, okay? I want to get a lead magnet, or should I say a book on health and fitness. So you can see, guys, I have so many books here that I can download. You can see everything here, fitness and health, so many videos, so many ebooks from great authors that you can download. But please, guys, make sure you understand that this site basically offers only ebooks, and which are to me are the perfect lead magnet that you can use. Basically, they're the perfect, easy to create, easy to get, just like this. Now you see that you do not stress yourself trying to get one for yourself. So this is the first method you can use in getting a lead magnet. Okay, the second way you can get the lead magnet is by you doing it yourself. Okay, I make use of Canva. Okay, and I'm just going to walk you through one of my Canva account and show you guys how I was getting so many content. I was creating content that I wanted to use for lead magnet. So you can see so many content here that I am basically creating. Okay, I'm doing all those things so that I myself will be able to create my own lead magnet and I can use them for whatever thing I want to use them for. So you can basically create your own lead magnet here using Canva all by yourself. Okay, special, and it's you who owns it. But for the first method I shared with you, so that is basically somebody's property. Okay, so you're making use of it, but I prefer you do it yourself. Okay, you can just gather information online on whatever thing that you would seem as valuable, right? Then you combine these things, these ideas together, you turn them into an ebook, and boom, you already have a lead magnet ready. So that is the first step, guys. Make sure you have a lead magnet, and I showed you two ways of doing that. You can basically come over to PDF Drive, you can download as many ebooks that you want to, or you can basically do it yourself by using Canva in creating your own ebook. Okay, so the next step we are going to be doing is we are going to be building an opt-in page. Remember I told you from the onset that we are going to be collecting their informations in exchange for what the lead magnet that we are offering them, right? But for us to do that, we need a landing page, or should I say an opt-in page. So basically, an opt-in page is a web page designed to collect contact information. So whenever these guys input their contact information, such as their email address, their names, their phone numbers, they'll be redirected to download whatever lead magnet that we have for them. But the super thing here is that they got their lead magnet, they got the book, or they got whatever thing they're looking for, and we also got their contact information, which is very, very important for us. So for us to build an opt-in page, guys, me myself personally, I make use of SYSTEMEIO or GetResponse. Those are the two services that I make use of. For you, you can make use of SYSTEMEIO. So now let me just walk you through the dashboard, or should I say the account I was working for. All right, teaching you guys how you do it yourself too. So when you head over to SYSTEMEIO, of course it is free. You don't have to pay any money. You just create your free account and you'd have access to a dashboard that looks like this. So here is the funnel I'm basically building. So this guy here met me. He wants me to help him create a forest. He's trying to sell a forest course. So he wanted me to help him build a landing page and also get him quality leads, people who can buy. Okay, so I was building the flow for him, and this guy is really, really amazed with the kind of result that we are generating. So this is the simple thing I did. I built an opt-in page for him first. Okay, so here is where people would get to fill in their details. Now let me show you what it looks like. So I'm just going to copy this URL, okay, and I'm going to open this in an incognito mode to show you guys how it works. Okay, so let me just copy that and put that in there so you guys will get to see how the the opt-in page works. So perfect, super. So you can see this is actually what an opt-in page looks like, basically where they get to put in their full name, their email address, and also phone number. So it doesn't really matter the kind of contact information you want to get, but the super thing here is that you'll be able to get their contact information. So here is the simple flow that we did. So once they put in their contact information, they'll be redirected to the next thing we want them to do. But for this one, guys, basically this guy is basically selling a course. So even if I put in my emails and I put in my phone number and my full name and all of that, when I click on proceed, you see it's going to take me to go and make a payment. Okay, so this is the simple flow that YouTube will be using, but you are not making use of paying. Okay, you are basically giving them something for free. So it can be something like put in your right details to get your free guide, put in your right details to get your free ebook, put in your right details to get your free courses. It doesn't really matter, guys, but the simple thing here is that you understand the idea of creating an opt-in page. So this is what an opt-in page looks like, guys. So if you want me to basically show you practically how I built all those things, you can just let me know in the comment section below. Like I told you, here is just an overview of me showing you how I get quality leads for for affiliate marketing. So maybe you want me to show you how I design all these things, how I move from getting the lead magnet, making sure that everything's working out fine. You can just let me know in the comment section below, and I will take my time, okay, teaching you guys as I'm explaining everything that you would get to understand much more better, and you'll be able to implement much more better and faster. So if you're basically enjoying this video, please make sure you don't leave without hitting the like button in appreciation. So here is the second method, guys. Remember, we've been able to get our lead magnet, and we can make use of services like SYSTEMEIO to create a simple opt-in page that looks like this, where they get to fill in their details in exchange for the lead magnet that we are offering. So once that has been created, the next thing you want to do is obviously promotion. You want to start promoting the page so that people will get to see, people will get to opt in, people will get to fill in the details, and you get the contact information, and they get the lead magnet that you are basically pushing out. So for you to basically promote your landing page or your opt-in page, you can make use of social media sites. So let's say you have a following on Facebook. So many of you do this a lot. You go over to your Facebook page, you paste the link there, you tell people if they want to get access to a free book, they should fill in their details, and the book will be sent to their email address. So many professionals are doing this, and you also can do this for yourself. So it's going to be very, very easy for you. Get your Facebook account. Okay, you can share it with family and friends, tell them to help you repost. People who are interested, all right, would actually opt in to get the lead magnet that you are offering them. Okay, and the second place you can make use of is Instagram as well. Just also similar to Facebook, you need to have a following, right? Or you can go for Instagram ads. Many of my clients are doing this. They're making use of Facebook ads, Instagram ads to push every of their content, and it's actually working out for them so fine. Okay, it's actually working out for them so fine. So easy and so simple to do. You can make use of art, you can do this organically. Okay, either method, make sure that you are just pushing out your landing page or your opt-in page out there so that people can get to come in, and they will be added to your email list, and from there, boom boom boom, you can start making money, because you hear people tell you that the money is in the list, right? So you can get your huge list, you can start marketing to these guys, easy and simple, guys. So this is just a simple three flow that I use, okay, that me by myself I use in getting quality leads. The first thing I do is I get a lead magnet. Okay, so I get a lead magnet, okay, and I move on to creating a simple a simple landing page, okay, where they get to fill in their details for them to get access to the lead magnet that I am promoting. So something like this is what we call an opt-in page. Okay, then the next thing I do is I push out that opt-in page. This page here I share with people, tell people to help me repost, do things like marketing, advertisement, WhatsApp, Facebook, anywhere I feel I can reach out to more people. I do that. I push the list, not the book now. I push the opt-in page to them, and once they click in, they'll give me their contact information. Then I send them the lead magnet. So it's so easy, guys. So I really believe you guys enjoyed this video, and you already have a better understanding on how to start building an email list for affiliate marketing. So if you're still struggling, please make sure you try out this method and start building lists for yourself. So I'm gonna put in out more content, more videos on promotion and also marketing. So if you want to be among people who would see it, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon, then give this video you're watching a like. Okay, I'll be so happy to shoot out more videos like this in the nearest future. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.